All right, on Robinhood again. So, Advanced Auto Parts, AAP, ticker symbol. So, I just went ahead and purchased it at $40.17. That's the current price. Today is let's see, September 6th, 2024. So the there was just some news that came out about the hold on one second. About the jobs report. So it says here that the U.S. added 142,000 jobs in August. The unemployment rate is at 4.2%. So we got that as the big news. And then we have, actually just
moment. I think this doesn't make a case one way or another, which would leave you with a default of 25 basis points. Now, job growth is slow. We've got to break that down and figure out exactly what's going on with that. But the unemployment rate falling back tells the Fed that we're not,
it's not really
losing a lot
loud,
of
I
workers,
guess,
and the
because
economy
I
is
have
not falling
the
off a cliff. Somewhere in between. That's
screen recorder
going to
going.
make a dilemma for Wall Street.
That's just the gist of
142,000
it.
jobs.
And then here we have, they're talking about reducing interest rates.
Dual mandate goals. And looking ahead, with inflation moving toward the target and the economy in balance, the stance of monetary policy can be moved to a more neutral setting over time, depending, again, on the evolution of the data,
Now,
the
mind these
outlook,
interest rates
and
have
the
been
risks
up
to
for
achieving
like the
our
past
objectives.
4 years.
The significant progress we've seen toward our objectives of price stability and maximum employment means that the risks to the two sides of our dual mandate have moved into equipoise. Now, this is because supply and demand and imbalances have dissipated. Labor market conditions have eased from being exceptional.
So back to Advanced Auto Parts. All right, so I was checking this one out. Let's go back just the past month here. This is August 21st. And then it drops. It has been dropping ever since. Past week is down $6. Okay, the past 3 months it's down over $25. And you can see that dip right here where it just drops. So what just going through the chart and looking at everything, it's like it has a ton of upside that it can potentially reach again. And I went back just the past 5 years, and the price that is currently at right now, September 6th, 2024, it has not been that low in the past 5 years. And this is back in 2019. So look at this same stock. Then let's go right here over to COVID. This is what this dip is. So it took a slight little dip around COVID time. Bounce back. And look over here around 2021 December. So this is last year. Takes a dip down to 63. And it's basically been between 60s and 70s since last year. But let me show you this. All right, so when I originally purchase. Is this one out? Yeah, so when I originally purchased it, my first share originally was over a year ago. And at that time, I got it for $67.69. And then I end up buying another share at $65 even. So from 67, 65, we'll just average at about $65. So 2 months later, in August of last year, I sold them at $71.60 each. So I made a gain off of that. A few bucks. It wasn't my aim, but obviously, if I can see where I sold it at $71.60, and I can look now, over a year later, and what the price I just got it at now, $40.17. So it's lower, but seeing the history of my purchase history, you can see that I purchased it much higher in the past. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on this. We'll see where it goes. And we'll go from there. So yeah, I'll keep updates on those, but I want to take it off my watch list now that I have it. Oh, one more thing to show you. So I got it at $40.17. Look at this right here. 52-week low, $40.12. I got it 5 cents above this 52-week low. So, and look at the 52-week high is $88.56. So, it's worth the investment to me, because you're basically getting at rock bottom almost, and the 52-week high, that's basically more than double where it's currently at. So yeah, it's got some upside to it, but I just wanted to share that. And as before I'm about to log off, I got a slight gain already, about 6 cents so far. It's in the green as of right now. So, but I started out this morning after the market opened up at around 41 bucks. So took a little dip, but I'll keep my eye on it and I'll update as we go forward. So, but yeah, just looking at those charts and those 52-week lows and those 52-week highs, it really paints a picture that basic clearer when you can see that if you're at the rock bottom and the potential gains that you may receive to get back to the top.